After 2 years, we found the S4, I think, right?
Yeah.
From hell. Because we've done 2 years ago, I was driving Subaru something STI, and then we saw this going completely crazy sideways over curb. I think you had even 4 or 5 people back then in the car, maybe. He's on it. And now we see it again while I was driving the Evo 5. Woo! Holy fuck! And then we followed each other, and then I asked, can I please go for a lap with you? Because everyone has been begging for it, and we're gonna make it happen. So, first of all, who are you? Why are you driving like this?
Ich?
Ja.
Ja, schon 20 Jahre fahre ich
Okay.
Nordschleife.
Ah, super. Super, super cool. Also, was hast du mit dem Auto gemacht? Hast du anderes Fahrwerk, Reifen, Motorleistung oder sowas?
Ist ein B16,
Okay,
größere Bremse
okay,
und letzter Winter Motor komplett überholt.
Okay.
Neue Kolben, andere Bläuel, alles ist aber noch nicht abgestimmt.
Ah, okay. Also Motor ist Serien, also keine große Turbolader oder sowas. Doch, können wir da anschauen? The car is, as mentioned, on bigger brakes, OZ wheels. It's on Pilot Super Sport tires with a star marking, so for BMW actually. Massive brakes, so that explains a lot with EBC. And here it's fairly stock, of course, to prevent the boost leakage. We have some hoses and yeah. V6? Also,
V6 Biturbo, 2,7 Liter.
okay, und wie viel PS ungefähr?
Vielleicht 350, vielleicht bis jetzt.
Wow. Alright.
Wenn man aber abgestimmt ist,
Ja,
möchte ich ca. 400 PS,
Okay.
wo stabil sind.
okay.
Dass er hält,
Ja,
das ist wichtig.
das ist wichtig. Alright. Let's go, I'm freaking excited. Ready. This was the coolest unexpected thing of the day. Or this year, probably. Having a bit of sweaty hands. Some pulls. Good power, good torque, no scraping through the compression. That's some good setup, and that's with 3 people in the car. Hi GTR.
Regen.
Yeah, no ambition. It's so much comfort and it's so quiet. If not for the crazy cornering, I would have a nap, check my emails, think about life, about how I ended up here. My head hurts from laughing. That was phenomenal. It reminds me of my own driving style. Like, next car. Lift off oversteer. Like, yeah, super cool. Amazing car. Like, as mentioned at the beginning, and then it just like decided to be quiet and enjoy and be scared and question my own life choices. The power delivery, the torque, I mean V6, but the setup is so nice. It's of course older Audi, so a bit of understeery, but the setup makes it very neutral, and therefore with the lift-off oversteer, you can induce lift-off oversteer by playing with throttle, and that allows you just like, okay, we have understeer, okay, lift the throttle, rotate the back, full on the gas, and let the car go out of the corner. Fantastic. With 227,000 kilometers on the clock, which equals about 130,000 miles. Wow. The second engine, because it's been built and reinforced, but the transmission is stock. Lots of suspension components are stock, sway bars, and wow, impressive. I'm impressed. I'm happy we could make it happen. It was maybe like, I was secretly hoping, can we have like some Porsche or supercar in front of us? That would have been like very fun to play, but even this, like the way the car rotates, and fantastic driving. That's my mega. So off camera, I've been told that he got this experience from driving the old Audi Quattros. Next day, that explains a lot from the 80s Quattros. So, yep, proper. Nochmal vielen lieben Dank.
Kein Problem.
Hat mich sehr gefreut. Das war super. Now we need cool down. Hope you guys enjoyed. We will include the Instagram so you can spam this mythical, legendary secret driver with all your burning questions. I'm sure we have a lot of them. I'm happy we can make it happen. Wow, great car, great driving. And we're cruising in style. Like, yeah, it's like chilling. Fantastic. I need the drink.
Du kannst jetzt in Wendekurve kannst noch schneller fahren,
Ja.
aber ich habe gedacht, wenn wir jetzt hier fahren, dann sollte ja nichts schief laufen.
Ja.
Und dann fährst du so, dass du sicher bist.
Das war gut.
Aber das hast du jetzt gemerkt, bei dem Auto. Wenn der schiebt, Gas weg, dann kommt er hinter auch und dann Vollgas.
Vollgas, ja.
Und dann zieht es den da schon da neben.
Ja, war super. Ja.